all aboard! Well, hello, good evening and welcome to this Christmas unboxing. And first off, we have a Temu package. What have we got in this? The great Temu unboxing, well, unpackaging. We've got some microfiber cloths for the die cast channel and the railway channel. We've got more microfiber cloths. Never have enough microfiber cloths. We've got some shit. Excuse the swearing, but they haven't sealed them proper. So we've got brushes gone everywhere. Thank you, China. I think it's because I bought 2 lots of these, because at the price it'd be rude not to. I've got a lot of them is what I'm saying. There we are, they seem decent enough quality. And I've got loads, and for the price they were disposable anyway. But there's loads, I don't know how many's in there. A lot, I'm not counting them all. But they're disposable if need be, and there's loads. Last me a good while. Let's have a look what else. For the die cast channel, there's wire brushes, also coming useful for model railway channel. Again, cheap as youch, cheap as chips. Stab yourself in the finger with them. More paint brushes. I've got a thing about stocking up on paint brushes. At the price, they're disposable, so why not? I've also bought, just for a surprise, more paint brushes of various sorts. I've got fan brushes, detail brushes, wide paint brushes. I've got a few sets of them. Oh no, that's just one bundle but all different sorts. And just for a surprise, I got some more paint brushes. These are like sort of Warhammer figure ones for the small sizes. And that comes to the end of that one. Now then, now we come to the model railway items. And this, it was donated to me by a very good friend, well, my lifetime bestie, and it's one it's a load of trains I played with as is at his house. He had them set up in the loft, and to be honest, your guess is as good as mine as what's in here. I don't know either. Well, I do know some of the ones he had. He was mostly hornby. I don't think he had different makes. And I think I can't get in with me to have to use a key. And I think a lot of it was bought at our local toy store in our local town, I presume. And they were mostly hornby. I don't think they stocked lemur. I can't remember them stocking lemur or anything. Let's have a look. Here we go. Hang on. Let's see what's in your. Oh. Put it out of the way for a minute. Right, what do we have? Wish that had stopped freaking pressing on me. There we go. Well, we have the tunnel. There we go, tunnel. Not tunnel. I think there's a good shed looking at it. A water tower. Hornby water tower. There's a point there. Getting somewhere comfortably, that looked do. We've got 1 point at least. So I've been taken 2 points. Or is it? No, that's the one I had before. Curves. Well, we've got some flexi track there. Oh, a few bits. What flexi track is it? Is it hornby or Pico? It feels flexible enough to be Pico. I can't really see. Patent. If it's Pico, we're on a winner. Oh no, UF. UF, but it looks nickel silver. I'll have to check that up. But it's UF flexi track. Interesting. Looks like there's quite a few pieces. Tops to buildings. I don't know what's in there, we'll find out. Signal box. There's a power controller, I'm guessing Hamilton Morgan. An Hamilton Morgan. Can check that. High, low, resistance, sorry. Wave switch, half, full. We'll have to double check that electrically. See if it's good. We have a turntable. I'm guessing the hut will be in here somewhere for it. We have a few loading, uncoupling ramp signal. buffer stops. There's the cabin for the turntable. 4-track. Stair pulls. Pullers. He used to collect stamps as well. We've got stamps in there. Where are they from? Let's have a look. Where are the stamps from? French. I wonder if he got them on his school trip to France. What's that one? Deutsch Bundes, so that's German. Deutsch. What else have we got? Oh, we've got toggles for parkers in here. That's a station platform building. We've got a level crossing. There. We've got the gate, search through. Another set of points. So we've got 2 sets of points. Whose are they? I think they're hornbys. Yeah, hornby points. A power connector. Unloading, uncoupling ramp. That'll probably come in useful. Roof to the station, I think. There you go, roof to station building, however it goes on. There we are, it is on. What's this bit here? It intrigued me, it's been packaged up. I'm wondering what it is. Track pins. So we've got some more track pins. If I'm getting loose, another power clip. 2 power clips, 1 not complete. It'll have the bits somewhere in here, I'm guessing. Search around. Let's have a look at this an old furry piece of paper from a shop. Where is it? Bradshawgate, Bolton. It's a Bolton shop, and it's a fishing and sports game shop. Right, now the actual interesting stuff. Let's have a look how these have kept. And what there is, of course. And it's Pullman coaches. I thought they were Great Western. I've got a nice rake of Pullman coaches. They match me other ones then. He's not put the names on, so I'll need to get Pullman names to name them. Oh, trying to keep comfy. And there's another one, another Pullman. Beautiful coaches. I'm getting a nice rake together of Pullman coaches. Oh, wait, there's 4. Another Pullman. They're all with missing names, so we can put names on them. There we go. Yeah, another Pullman. I'll have to have a look what set it was. And here we go. Which one was it? It's the Albert Hall Loco. And that answers a question I had from the magnet. Looks good, it's still attracting the track pins. And It answers a question I've had for years, whether I give him back a little Great Western 040. It's not looking like I did. A drills box, I don't think there's anything in it. But yeah, there's a locomotive. And it looks in good condition, a sticker's moved. But it's the Albert Hall. He looked after it well. So yeah, that looks good. It's the locomotive motored one. Gear drive in front there. And there's the tender. Was it a chuff tender? I don't know. That answers that one. Sounds beautiful. Probably not been run since 1978, 79 I'd like to say. And we've got a shell tanker. Another tanker added to my fleet. A Bestwood wagon. It's a nice little wagon. And the McVitie's van. I've been after a McVitie's van. Fantastic. I've got one at last. I don't think I have one. But I've got another Arnold Sands one to the fleet. And we've got a motorcycle hiding there, a Ducati. Looks like a Ducati Monster. Possibly a Maisto. That's more recent years than it's probably made its way in there somehow. But these haven't been out since what, 78 I guess, 79. Our last days at school, because he moved in about 79 I think. He moved out, so it had been taken down then, and I don't think it got put up again. Great shame, but that's going towards layout. The flexi track, happy days. Can get on with layout building. All in all, a good lap, good little lap. I'll put it away now and we'll go and get tea. But I'll do another video at a later date on restoring it. And I'll restore the Albert Hall, maybe weather it, detail it a bit. Or it may be one I'll leave as is. Because it's one we've had since we were kids. So it may get left as is, just restore it to running and as it was condition. Because it looks clean. But yeah. All in all, a beautiful score and beautiful memories. Thank you very much, Kev. It'll be beautiful to see it running. Especially with all them Pullman coaches on. It'll be something else. Anyway, tatty pie people.